Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we have a real treat for all you motorcycle enthusiasts out there. We're going to talk about the WNJACO motorcycle helmet speakers, a product that's taking the riding community by storm. If you're looking for the best motorcycle helmet speakers for music, look no further, we've got you covered. Let's dive right into the features that make these helmet speakers a must-have for riders. First and foremost, these speakers come equipped with a 40mm graphene diaphragm, ensuring you get excellent sound quality for both music and calls. But that's just the beginning. One standout feature is the double noise cancellation technology and windproof sponge in the microphone, guaranteeing crystal clear calls even while riding at high speeds. No more missed calls or distorted conversations. Now, here's where it gets exciting. These speakers have an intelligent voice assistant system. You can easily wake up your voice assistant or Siri with a simple press of a button, all while keeping your attention on the road. Plus, the speakers are incredibly thin, just 10mm, so they fit comfortably in all helmet types. And installing them is a breeze, thanks to the back clip that eliminates the need for cumbersome screws. The WNJACO helmet speakers use Bluetooth 5.3 technology, reducing disconnection and interference in the 2.4 GHz frequency band. That means you can enjoy intelligent noise cancellation, voice assistance, and even connect two smartphones simultaneously. Perfect for multitasking during your ride. Not with these speakers. They come with a 1000 mAh rechargeable battery that fully charges in just 20 minutes. You'll get up to 32 hours of music playback, 30 hours of talk time, and an incredible 18 months of standby time. Plus, it supports Type-C fast charging and even displays the battery status on your phone. Say goodbye to charging worries. These speakers are IPX6 waterproof, so they can handle dust, rain, storms, snow, and even temperatures as low as -20°F. You can ride confidently, knowing your speakers are up for the challenge. And for added convenience, you have playback control right at your fingertips. Voice assistant, automatic answering, and redialing the last number. It's all there to ensure a smoother and safer riding experience, eliminating the need for dangerous repetitive operations. Now, let's talk about installation. There are two methods you can choose from, the 3M back clip or the back clip method. Both are user-friendly and provide a secure fit for the speakers on your helmet. You can follow the step-by-step instructions in the manual for a hassle-free setup. In conclusion, the WNJACO motorcycle helmet speakers are a game-changer for riders who want the best audio experience while on the road. With exceptional sound quality, advanced features, and a budget-friendly price point, they're a no-brainer for anyone looking to elevate their riding experience. So, if you're ready to take your motorcycle rides to the next level, click the link in the description below to grab your pair of WNJACO motorcycle helmet speakers today. Don't miss out on this fantastic product. That's all for today's episode of Product Critique. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time with more exciting products and reviews. Ride safe, everyone.